Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sisira Learning. Today we are kicking off a brand new series on accidental inventions. Take a look at these iconic sticky notes. Ever wondered how post-it notes came to be? It's quite an interesting story. So now let's meet the brilliant mind behind this invention. I'm going to search for Spencer Silver, the scientist who accidentally created this adhesive used in post-it notes. This is Spencer Silver. He worked as a scientist at 3M and played a crucial role in creation of post-it notes. So now let's use our AI ChatGPT to know the story behind this. So what we'll do, we have already searched this. Tell me the story behind the invention of post-it notes. So let's see what it says. The invention of post-it notes is an fascinating tale of serendipity. It all started with Spencer Silver, a chemist at 3M who was working on developing a super strong adhesive in 1968. Instead of creating a strong adhesive, he ended up inventing a unique low tack adhesive that could stick to surfaces but be removed without leaving a residue. So for years, Silver tried to find a practical application for this invention, but it didn't fit well with 3M's other products. Then in 1974, Art Fry, a colleague of Silver's, was struggling with his bookmarks falling out of his hymn book during the choir practice. Fry remembered Silver's adhesive and saw a potential use for it. He began using the adhesive to create a new kind of bookmark that would stick to pages but could be repositioned easily. Fry and Silver collaborated to refine the idea, leading to the launch of Post-it notes in 1980. Initially, they were introduced as a press and seal and only available in yellow, a color chosen because it was only scrap paper they had on hand. So the product's popularity quickly grew and it became a staple in offices and homes around. So the post-it notes was born out of a combination of accidental invention and creative thinking. So isn't it amazing how a failed attempt at creating a super strong adhesive led to one of the most popular office supplies ever? That's the magic of accidental inventions. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating tales of unexpected discoveries. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you next time. Bye bye.